Stevie, are you there?
Turn on the lights. 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 Turn on the lights.
Turn on the lights.
Turn on the lights.
Repeat. Turn on the lights.
Turn on the lights.
That's the way, Stevie. You're a
on
real
the
great
lights.
tour guide.
Turn
Now
on
keep
the
repeating. You
lights.
have to finish your job if you
Turn
want to
on
go
the
back to your
lights.
wife in Connecticut.
Turn on the lights.
Oops, someone's eavesdropping on our conversation.
Turn on the lights.
Detective,
Turn
you
on
took your
the
time,
lights.
didn't you?
Turn on the
You did
lights.
this?
Thought I told you I prepared a
Turn on the
tutorial.
lights.
Now you should have a real good grasp of the
Turn
way
on
this
the
game
lights.
goes. In short, you go too slow, the others end up like this, too.
Turn on the
Stevie
lights.
did such a good job, showed you just
Turn
what you
on the
needed to do.
lights.
Did you
Turn
kill those
on
servants
the
too?
lights.
Oh, they're just for show.
Turn on
Making
the
it look
lights.
good helped spice the game
Turn
up.
on the
I'll let you
lights.
off the hook there, since they kicked it while you were
Turn
still
on the
snoozing away.
lights.
So what do you think?
Turn
Gotten you a
on
little
the
more
lights.
motivated, detective? Or maybe I'm
Turn
making you
on the
quiver in your
lights.
boots.
Turn on the
Where'd you take
lights.
the others?
It'd be no fun and games if
Turn
I
on
told
the
you that.
lights.
Now, if
Turn
you'll
on the
excuse me,
lights.
I've got a lot to get done.
Turn on the
Good luck,
lights.
detective, 'cause for you
Turn
nothing could
on
be a
the
bigger
lights.
disgrace than failing to save someone you
Turn
could
on the
have, right?
lights. Turn on the lights.
Stevie,
Turn on
stop.
the lights.
That's enough.
Turn on the lights. It's cold.
It's alright. It'll get better soon. Helena.
Keith? Keith, are you okay? Are you hurt?
I'm fine. What about you?
Keith, Keith. Thank goodness. Thank goodness.
Helena, your leg's wounded. Hold on, I'll get over there.
Keith, I'm fine. I'll be fine. There's nothing to worry about.
Helena? Wait, Helena, I'll be right there. Don't move from that spot.
I'm fine. I swear. I'll be fine. Wait for me, Keith. Don't worry.
Helena! Lance.
Detective! Hey, save me already, damn it! Untie these things!
If you want 'em off that bad, you should have asked me, Lance.
Hey, hurry up. Save me, please.
Hey there, detective. Whoa there, don't move a muscle. You have to give the bad guy a chance to say some lines.
Hurry, Keith, get me out of here!
What a noisy pest you are, Lance. Already forgotten your punishment for howling like that before?
Huh?
Bad dog.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Don't move. I already said that, didn't I? If you ask me, detective, photographers are just the worst people in the whole world. They capture the world in their lens and tell the world that this is reality. But it isn't, is it? Reality has pain, it has suffering, and most importantly, it has fear. The public sees this world you're fighting against in a distorted form, thanks to these wretched photographers. So now I'm thinking this coward should be taught what real pain is like. Good idea, don't you think? Now, Lance, you seem like a coward who can only see reality through a lens. So I'll take a photo for you. And I'll put that photo in a frame, hang it up, place some flowers, and pray. On the anniversary of your death. Smile for the camera, Lance.
I'll stop the bleeding.
What a crappy photo. This is why I hate taking pics of people. Damn it. Why'd this happen to me? Freaking out and howling. What a loser I am.
Your life was in danger. I'd be worried if you weren't frightened.
And what would you know, huh?
When I was new to my job, I got shot in the leg. I lost my cool and screamed, and my boss at the time punched me. Told me that if I freaked out, nobody would trust me. Why are you here, Lance?
Oh, hell if I know. I nodded off on the sofa and then, woke up all tied up.
You didn't notice being transported here?
I said I was sleeping, didn't I?
I'll tell you what I know. That man's kidnapped everyone who was on the tour. I haven't found any of them yet, besides you, Brendan, Stevie, and the employees were all killed.
Huh? Killed?
I slept from 9 to about midnight. Around 12:05, the man decapitated Brendan. Stevie died around 12:20. He was tied to a chair, cut open from his neck down to his back. He was left there immobile until he died of blood loss. Judging from the amount of blood and how much it had dried, the wound was probably inflicted about 30 minutes before I found him.
He's seriously dead.
Well, he was still hanging by a thread by the time I arrived.
Wasn't there some way to save him?
I'm not a doctor. Even if I were, he'd lost too much blood.
So you just stood in front of dying Stevie, calculating his time of death?
Don't harp on every detail. Lance, can you stand? I'm going to look for the others. You come with me. I can't leave you alone.
And what if I can't stand, huh?
I'll carry you.
Give me a break. Hey, go look for the others if you want, but don't you think it'd be faster to nail that guy down first? Leaving him alone is downright dangerous.
This is a hostage situation. Who knows how many others are being slowly killed like Stevie? Catching him is pointless if we can't guarantee everyone's safety. He's already killed several people. I'm playing catch-up at this point. I can't suffer any more careless losses.
Losses? Huh, that what you call murders?
Quiet. Stop hounding me. That kind of thing gets the attention of civil liberty groups.
Huh?
Let's go. Lance, look down that hallway.
You mean that doll in the wheelchair? Whoa, it's got a gun.
I don't know how the thing works, but we'll be gunned down if we're not careful. So, you be the target for a second.
Say what? You want me dead, man?
Just stand on that end and block the bullets with this plate. Even a wounded man can manage that much. I'll take care of the doll while you're doing that.
Do you realize how stupid that sounds? We'll both die if we're not careful.
You've got the physique to hide behind a shield. Get in there and don't get shot. Is that a no? Fine, I'll do this myself. Stand back and watch, you chicken.
Hey!
Don't scream in my ear.
Alright, I'll be your stupid target. You better be able to handle that doll. And you never call me chicken again. You got that, you damn detective?
Sure, I appreciate it. Always grateful to have a good citizen's aid. Go.
Why, you loose cannon. What were you planning to do if I got shot?
Let's move.
Belgian Shepherd, huh? That brings me back.
Isn't it a wolf?
Similar, but nah. Lived on a farm in Montana when I was a kid. There were tons of these guys. They're sheepdogs.